What's the plan today? After the wedding yesterday, we will be going to, how do you call it, one best? Brazos County?
Brazos County Courthouse.
Brazos County Courthouse, where we can send a certificate.
So we can file our marriage license.
We have to file our marriage license today. Nandito na yung paper with the perma of the judge yesterday, guys. So yan yung aasikasuhin namin today. Ilaw. Tanggalin mo ba ito sa basket? This is a real flower, by the way. Baka akala niyo plastic. It's...
What's your middle initial?
Sorry? Wait.
Your middle initial.
Oh my gosh. As in, kahapon pa ako, like, nakatutok lang talaga sa flower na to. I'm like, staring at it. Super nice nyo naman to send me this beautiful flower. Like, really, it's really pretty. I can't move on. I can't move on. Sobrang ganda niya talaga, guys. Biruin nyo, like, all of this, it's a real flower. Like, ang laki ng roses dyan. And I really don't know what kind of flower the other stuffs here. Kasi hindi ko naman alam. Rose lang yata yung alam ko dito. But yeah, super pretty niya. Like, it's in the basket. Big basket, by the way. Maliit ba siya tingnan sa camera? Not super big. Siguro mga medium size. What's the change? Nothing's changed. Nothing has changed. How does it feel to be married? It's the same. Kasi like we said before, or I said before in the vlog, guys, na like, even without the paper, I still feel like we're already married before. Although it was not official because of the papers. But yeah, it's still the same. Nothing has changed. I'm just so proud of my girls, by the way. You just don't know how much I was really happy yesterday. Kay my kids are actually doing well, doing their best. How would I say that one? Like, I really like asked them for few things that I couldn't do while I am on. Ay! It's very dark. Grabe ka.
Oh. I thought about that. It's like, would it be the same time with only 4 slices?
Ay. So it's different.
So less. So
Oh, diba? Welcome
it's
to my
okay.
era.
They like crispy.
Are we going to the bank also today?
Yeah. Trying to. Did you bring your passport?
Yes.
You want to go to Popeyes?
No. Like I said yesterday, I have to start saying no to you. Ito kasi, I'm gonna blame you.
Why not?
Why not karon? Every time we are out, they're like, oh, you want Sonic? Oh, you want Dairy Cream? Oh, you want... Oh, diba ako, for the past 1 month, I kept telling him, yeah. Oh, see, I'm gaining. I'm telling you. When I was still in the Philippines, I was only like 48 kilos. Now...
53, 4...
Hoy, over kay ko!
55.
50. Hoy, that's too much. Hoy, over. 55 karon.
51?
Yeah. So, wala na, guys. I have to really start declining the offer. Declining his offer. Sige na may kaon every time we go out.
But my offers are so irresistible.
I have to. I really have to.
Resist?
I have to resist it. I'm telling you. Hindi na. No, not anymore. What's the adjustment thing? I don't understand. So this is a different
status?
Yeah, this is a different paperwork that we're going to work right today. So the adjustment thing, adjustment status, that's a different paperwork.
That's different. What we're doing today is we're filing the marriage license. And then what they'll do is they'll record it.
Sakit pala to sa ulo.
Put the official stamp on it and then mail it back to us.
So we cannot start adjusting status unless...
Well, we have to show that we got married.
That's it. Tas ang mahal ba ng adjustment status? Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Akala nyo lang madali. Ha, kala nyo lang madali magka partner ng foreigner or get married. It's not really easy. We have more other expenses coming up for the adjustment status, and it's not like we're just gonna pay it $50. That's so nice.
So they open at 1 o'clock
PM.
1 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I have to look into
It's an open pool. Oh, good luck. It's very hot. Nobody's inside. Well, because it's not open.
It's 'cause it's not
But this is
open.
nice here. Oh.
And then you have basketball
But
courts. Little
remember,
there's a skate park.
remember, like,
That was all just woods.
remember that Nicole is not fan of this kind of thing anymore. It's just Yashli. We're here. Oh, inita. Oh, there you go. It's hot. Now sorry. Now I'm complaining. It's hot. It's very hot. Okay. Dadaan tayo sa security, so I'm gonna hold this camera.
Well, this is a regular entrance with the no construction, so we have to walk around.
Oh.
When we came here to get the license, we parked over here.
Yeah, we parked there. Giahak, inita. It's hot. Oh, diba? Complain na naman Zinibe. It's really hot. What's the name of the courthouse here again?
Brazos County.
Brazos County. Oh, big tree. I love it. What? There's poop? There's poop. Bakala ko may poop. Bahala ka drag mag-speed. Ay, buang-buang. Okay, so there's poop. Yan, courthouse entrance. Okay, that's it guys kasi may security. We are done. Bilis lang guys. I think we were there for like 2 minutes.
Not even.
Not even 2 minutes. Done na kami. Antayin lang namin yung call nila para bigyan kami ng copy. She says mga Friday siguro kasi holiday tomorrow. And nangyari! Giahak ang ako ang 1 million pesos sunglasses. Char lang. Joke lang. I don't wanna pay sunglasses for that expensive. Nabali, guys. Ayan, nabali siya. Hindi ko alam bakit kaya to nabali. O, bali na. So, bali yung ate ang 150 pesos na sunglasses. Made in China.
You brought the copy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That one. What do you mean copy for the marriage license? Yeah. Ayan, bali na. Bili tayo ulit sa Shein. Kasi mas gusto kong ganitong glasses na lagi ko tong sinusuot na glasses guys. Super ganda nito kasi it really fits sa mga malalaki ang mukha. Like me, 'di ba? Ano siya kasi malaki na shade. Para talaga to sa mga bilog ang mukha. We're heading to utility. Utility. So subukan namin guys kung pwede namin ano yung paper kasi sabi ng babae baka hindi pero try lang namin. It's here? That BTU?
Bryan, Texas Utilities.
We are home from the going there, going back and forth and everything guys. Kapoy ko. So we went to his bank. Oy, good luck sa ating kabrasuhan. We went to his bank today after the utility. It was very fast, easy transaction there, easy process. Wala silang hinahanap sa akin. Oh well, asking for my passport, that's it. No questions, wala. So, mabilis lang. But then after that, we went to the bank, Chase, here in Bryan. He just wanted me to have... Babe, is it you called connecting account with you or what? You wanted me to have my own account or you wanted me to connect?
I wanted to add you to my account so you have access to my account.
He wants me to add his bank account para maka-access ako.
And then they would issue a debit card so that
you
with your name on it so that you could pull money out of that account if you needed it. Or if you wanted to buy something, you could use that card.
But wala eh. They need more valid address, IDs, whatever.
Well, they wanted a photo ID with your address on it, essentially.
Yeah. Which we don't have right now kasi nga kakatapos lang ng aming wedding. What did you say? We have to get my ID card? And...
Well, They allowed us to put your name on the utility bill.
Yeah.
So I'll be able to take the utility bill, and then we'll take what you got from Social Security with this address on it.
Yeah, but it's
And that
3
will
weeks.
and that will be enough to get a Texas ID card, photo ID. And then once we have that, then we can do the bank account.
Manda na talaga yung ating wall, guys. Kita nyo yan. And then yung dyan na area kasi yung kitchen natin. Naglagay na din si Belle ng primer. Looking at the camera, parang white na siya tingnan. But then actually, hindi siya white. Like, meron pa siyang konting yellow na makikita. But we have to, yeah, put white paint also. Para mas lalong puti talaga siya. And then yan, tatanggalin natin yung table na yan. Papalitan natin yan ng ibang table. And then meron na kaming na choose para sa ating floor, which nagpunta kami sa bahay ng mom niya kahapon, 'di ba? Nakita ko yung floor and I was like, wow, this is really nice floor. Kasi gray, malinis siya tingnan. The cabinet, like as you can see, brown pa yan, guys. And then eto na side, yung cover nasa labas as in sa yard namin. Nag-primer siya, nag-paint 3 days ago, 4 days ago. And naiwan-iwan kasi nga busy kami, lagi kaming umaalis. So, yun, tatapusin yan today, maybe later, pagbalik niya galing sa appointment niya. Good morning, guys. My husband is outside, working on our cabinet. Di na ako lalabas kasi maingay. It will be very noisy if I go out. So yeah, he's working on our cabinet cover. Ayan. He's cleaning it so he can paint it again. Prime first and then paint. We will do cleaning because we have to work on our living area today. Also, that's because tomorrow... Camera, come on. Because tomorrow, Belle's student will be coming here. So we need to make space for the living room. And I think you saw it from my previous video that di siya malinis. Like right now here. Oh. Like, I know. Right now, that's really a mess. And then Belle is telling me that we have to change this. Or we have to put it in between. Because nung andito siya, when he was here, he was like, wow, he thought that it was in between. Di pala siya between. So, gusto niyang samukan kamera na. So, gusto niyang ilipat yan. He wanted to move it here on this side because as you can see, it's not in between. So, that's our plan today. And then, we will be hanging some of the frames. Like, I know, makalat. But we will be working on it today, guys. O, diba? Para kaming nasa, ano ba to? We received a call today, this morning, that our marriage certificate is... We'll get our marriage certificate today. And we will be heading maybe this afternoon. It's Friday. It's July 5. And... may idea ako nito. I have idea what to do with this frame. We got this one from thrift store for only, if I'm not mistaken, we paid for like $3 only for this one. I saw this one. Actually, Belle first saw this one and he was like, that's really a nice frame. And I agree with him. So I thought like, oh, I can do something about that one. So I plan on putting our few. There are four picture that we can put on this frame, and then I said we can put some of our wedding pictures here, and then we are going to put it here on the top of the TV. It would be nice. So we haven't like put some frames on this side because I was still thinking what to do, and that's my idea. Well, if I can find, because I already have plan on this side, we are going to put TV console here, which not yet working on it, but we are going to work on it. Remember when I said to you, did I say this? That Belle has a shelves that he planned on throwing it away, and I was like, no, you cannot do that because that wood is really sturdy. And I was like, No, we can use that one for something. So that's my plan, that I'm going to use that one for a TV console. It's outside, guys. This one is the bookshelf he had inside. We already removed some books. We already put it in the storage, but he actually left still many books here. But yeah, that's our plan. We're gonna use that one for a TV console, and then I'm gonna paint it. I was thinking about like what white would be better, or maybe black. Maybe black console that will match our TV. At least ba, lampas dito that it can hide the outlet. So the TV console that I was thinking, like it can hide this outlet here, lampas, and then lampas doon. But then the shelf, he says to me like it's short, but I saw something in Pinterest that can actually make it extendable. So we'll see if I can make it. Oh, we're still alive. We are going to BJJ today because today is Friday. Remember, I said like, did I say this? Yeah, I plan on going to BJJ with him today, so I can talk to, I can say thank you to whoever sent this flower during the wedding day. Kasi magti-thank you talaga ako. Super nice ng flower na yan, guys.
It's summer.
It's very hot.
Huh.
What's the best part?
Where'd that package of sandpaper go?
Sandpaper. My gosh, I'm getting old. I know that I touched it, but I know I put it somewhere. And there's
Some package like this one,
oh, that's the only one I saw.
but this one's all 60.
What do you need? Okay. Right.
So, Mommy and Dad are here. They're
Well, you
here.
don't have any other real ideas.
I'll tap into this camera.
Hi! I got a package from my subscriber. I have to open this one actually. She wrote to me like a few days ago about this. Like she wanted to give us a welcome gift or a welcome something, you know, to welcome us here in the USA. So she's sending this. I have no idea. Well, I have no idea what's really inside, but again, Mom Susan, thank you so much for this package you're sending me. Ganito na lang kasi may address na nakalagay dito. So yeah, I'll be opening this one. Girls! I'll go to the girls' room. Pinadaw mo yung chocolate, ani, yun siya. She's giving you guys chocolate. I need a... Oh, sorry. Let's open this. Nakakay ano dito. Uy, shucks. Baka meron ano dito guys. Magic syrup. Man, ang gunting yash. Yung nakuha namin kanina sa postal office. Post office. Postal naman. Post office. Come here. Hey, para inyo ara ba daw ni? Kasi, thank you so much Ma'am Susan for this. Open it. Come here, Yasli. Come here. Oh, wow. Yasli's favorite chocolate. Ayan, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And then, wow. Boss. Wow, nice naman. Oh, diba? Yasli, oh, napay ngalan ni mo, Yasli. Kang ate ata ni. Nicole, thank you. Ano yan? What is that? Ay, wow, Victoria's Secret. Are you kidding?
Victoria's Secret.
Magitugoan yung Victoria's Secret na ano. Open it, please. Ang paisa pa.
Kunte.
Ay, meron siyang ano, may pa-card.
Ha?
Die, Jenny and Girls. May pa-card pa siya.
Bakit ako?
Basahan daw ni Nicolola. Thank you, kaayo. Thank you so much, Ma'am Susan, for this. Ano to, isa? Nakaano pa? Aman itong Victoria's Secret na ano? Ano yun? Lotion ba yun?
Ah.
Hala, uy! Mag-sure dira, ma'am.
I bet
Hala,
si-
salamat kaayo.
I bet na si Mama rin maggamit na.
Asa to isa?
Drama.
Di na pa to isa. Victoria's Secret, man. Hala, ka-over na kayo ni Ma'am Susan, uy! Hala, ma'am, uy, over kay kamwata kung ano ay gift. Ay, no need naman unta yun. No need na talaga. Pinadalahan talaga niya kami ng ano, welcome gift. Dahil dito na kami sa ano, USA. Subscriber siya sa akin, guys, ng matagal na. Matagal na rin. Oh my gosh, yung mga
Yummy.
anak ko. Kumain na ng ano, yummy. Kinain na yung chocolate. Hala, salamat kaayo ha. Thank you so much, Ma'am Susan. Bisaya din siya, guys. By the way, Bisaya si Ma'am Susan. Hala, thank you. Si Muton na ako, hindi. Naghanap po, Ani, oy, over. Bukan kasi giyatag lotion man natin eh.
Gummy berry siya.
Oh, lotion lagi. Lotion.
Si Mama rin ba gusto mo gamit ano?
Hala, humutra ba? Victoria's Secret. Hala, ang favorite pa gina ko. Humutra ba kayo ng love spell na ano, perfume? Masa man pag-open, o, di ba? Dinanghag ang now. Masa ni pag-open?
Kana.
Ay, nasiguro yun. O, di ba? Naman din nakatip. See, I told you. Humot kaayo siya. Humot yung kayo ang... Ay! Ngambak na. Humot kayo ang love spell na ano, lotion ng
Amo na
Victoria's
love spell ba?
Secret. Favorite ko yan na amoy. Tapos, wala, tatlo pa ng lotion. Very good. Good timing kasi yung Nivea na dala ko from the Philippines, paubos na. So, magagamit ko talaga to. Thank you so much. Over. Salamat kayo, ma'am.
Hi,
Thank
ko
you.
na maggamit.
Ay, mga hero si Ashley. Yaaning berry spill.
Kaya
Love spill of berry. Berry kay pang... Hala, humot po ni ay.
Kana Mama.
Humot po. As in. Mabango rin. Come here. Humot siya. Come here ba? Fruity smell. Berry nga eh. Humot. Mabango. Hala, salamat kaayo. Ganihar mo. How many times did I say thank you? Over. Wala na, ma'am. Kinain na yung ano. Yung... Tingnan niyo yung dalawang anak ko. Yung chocolate na binigay mo. Thank you po, oy.
Thank you.
Look what she gave. She gave me Victoria's Secret lotion. 3.
Who gave you?
Ma'am Susan, subscriber. Remember what I said to you last time? A subscriber wanted to give me a welcome gift. So, and then she gave the kids hair tie and then chocolate.
Well, that's nice of her.
Very. May card palang kasama yun, guys. Nakalimutan ko. Kinuha kasi ni Nicole kanina. So anyway, babasahin natin yung card ha. So nice of you. Really. Ma'am Susan. Here's the card from Ma'am Susan. Die, Jenny, and Girls. Yan po. Pretty naman ang card. Anyway. July 1st. So, pinadala pala niya yung ano. She sent that box July 1st. Hello, Die, Jenny. Every smile. Oh, meron na siya kayo lagay dito. Ayan o. Pakita ko na guys. Kayo na magbasa kung maklaro ninyo. Joke lang. So, just sending a little something for you and the girls to welcome you in USA. God bless Susan. I hope you and the girls will like my surprise gift. They do. We do. And thank you so much, Ma'am Susan, for this. I mean, like, guys, for the very first time, pagdating namin dito sa USA, no one is actually, like, doing that for us. Susan is very thoughtful, kind, generous. I'll keep this. Actually, I'll keep this card. Kasi special tong card na to. Kaya first time ba may nagbigay sa amin ng ano, welcome gift from the USA. How are you gonna put? You're gonna put all the pepperoni? What else are you gonna add?
I don't know.
He added olive oil.
This and that.
Just whatever.
Yeah.
Chef for today. Very handsome. You don't believe me? You want me to get the pepperoni?
Sure.
Just the pepperoni?
Well, you might need some cheese.
George, here. How many packs do you need? One?
We'll see.
We can use the ano? The...
We got any ham?
Guys, sige. I'll take more. This is a real tomato. Oh, I think.
Yeah, it's real tomato.
That's too much lagi, babe.
I'll get it.
First day, nag-iaway na.
That's not enough sauce.
That's a lot.
We got too many cooks here. I don't know. We'll find out.
I'll just try to put that outside.
Anyway, they just said to tell you hi.
Where are they living?
We live in Norzultz. And they invite us to come over and visit their church.
What's church?
I don't know. It's a church they go to over there.
How far are they? Farther than mom?
About halfway.
You think it's good? We'll find out.
Well, it's pepperoni, so.
Alam ko nag-ano to. See? Oh. Ah, computer is life. We forgot to stop over at Walmart today. Di namin nabilhan yan ng frame. Ay, na. You still like your hair today? It's still straight? I have no idea. 31, I think. How about you, girl? Daddy is baking a pizza.
Yay!
Yay, it's pepperoni. It's pepperoni. Ayan, nag-Roblox na naman. Yan naman, hilig talaga. Our pizza is ready. Oh, we need to slice it. We have a slicer, but it's there. I'll get it.
Bigger plate. Big enough plate for
Where's the special slicer?
Still soft.
soft enough.
Or maybe because of the... Maybe because of the cheese.
Probably.
Oh, you made a fries too? Thank you very much. O, see, sabi ko sa inyo, bibili na kami ng coffee table din. May nakita kami din kanina, yung black. Kaso sabi niya, baka hindi ko magustuhan after. Kailangan namin talaga ma-match. Pero bibili talaga kami ng furniture, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo naman tong aming table dito. Yung partner ko, kahit ano lang yan siya, guys. Kasi nga,
Homemade pizza.
ha?
Homemade pizza.
Mas lami pang homemade? Like this one? Siguro kung abat ano eh. Baka pagigihatag na ako. Busog naman ko ganiha sa akong ika. Yeah, it's good. Yung mukha ko, naglalagay ako ng benzol, guys. Aking mukha kasi may pimples na naman bago. Anyway. Lumabas pala yung isa. Hindi ko alam bakit lumabas. Bumili pala ng ice cream. And then, tingnan niyo ako na binili. Binilhan ako nito. Alam niya kasing paborito ko to. Ito guys, Pimia. And then yung mga kids